In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to easily embed videos in your WordPress website blog post. It's really very easy process to embedding videos in your blog post, and here's how to do it. First of all, I'm going to my post section, and now let's edit this post, for example. Okay, once you are in your post editor, now search for the exact location where you want to embed a video. I'm clicking on this add blog icon and here selecting searching for code. So I'm adding here custom HTML. Now I'm going to opening my YouTube video, and to embed a YouTube video, first of all highlight the video link and just copy the video link, and now in this HTML box just paste the video, and then all you have to need click on update. And now let's view our post and scrolling down, and as you can see I've successfully embedded my YouTube video on my blog post. And now if you want to embed a Twitter video or Twitter tweet, here's how to do it. Just click on the share icon and copy the tweet link and go to your editor again, and simply I'm pasting my tweet link here and clicking on update, and as you can see my tweet has been successfully embedded. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.